So when I was looking for a university to enroll to after my high school, I browsed through various websites of many universities in Canada. And I liked Dalhousie because it looked like it had a strong engineering program.
I was the kind of person who didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do, and I didn't want to be constrained to one kind of industry or one kind of work. So I picked the one where you can go literally anywhere.
I had a conversation with Dr. Noreen Kamal. She runs a stroke research lab here, improving stroke transfers for Nova Scotians and now all Canadians.
So one of the main things that industrial engineers do is we help companies reduce risk and minimize waste using things like optimization and simulation to model their system.
Industrial engineering and business have one thing in common that make them go hand in hand, and that's problem solving. Industrial engineers, they often work to optimize operations, which is crucial for any business to survive and thrive.
For my first co-op, I did a term at Canadian Blood Services, and I worked with the continuous improvement team. For my second and third co-op terms, I was with IMP Aerospace. They do maintenance and repairs on military aircrafts and search and rescue helicopters, that kind of stuff.
Myself, I've worked as a business analyst for a tech company. I've also done co-ops with a renewable energy company, helping municipalities in Nova Scotia develop solar projects.
For anyone that doesn't know what the Capstone program is, it's an excellent opportunity in the final year of your engineering degree. It's an 8-month-long project. You get assigned a real-world client to solve a real-world problem for that client.
So for our Capstone project, we are working with Nova Scotia Health, specifically with long-term care. Right now, there are thousands of people across the province who are in facilities that they don't necessarily want to be in, and they want to transfer into a different facility, either to be closer to their family, reunited with their spouse who's in a different facility, or just closer to their cultural community. So what we did is we found a way to algorithmically identify chains of transfers that start with just one empty bed, putting hundreds of people into the facilities that they'd want to be in.
One job that comes to mind once an industrial engineer is in the field is manufacturing engineer. As a manufacturing engineer, you work to design, implement, and improve manufacturing operations. This may include working on the production floor to enhance machine efficiency, to improve product quality, and also ensure worker safety.
You can work for a small business, big business, you can work with supply chain management, you can work in healthcare. There's no limits to what you can do with industrial engineering.